Hey guys, so it's the day after the storm and we are going to go out and see about shoveling some paths for these boys because this one, his fur picks up all the snow and he hates it. You hate all that snow. These guys, it just kind of falls right off. This one gets snowballs everywhere. Yeah, see, I have a glove on. He thinks it's okay to bite my hands because he's used to if I have a pot holder on. He can bite my hands. So I think they said we got 8 to 9 inches. So I shoveled this a couple times yesterday. Here's what it looks like now. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go try to find some landmines and then shovel them some paths. So it's not so they've kind of made some paths as you can see. But try to shovel them some because his fur, I gotta be careful coming down these stairs, picks up all the snow. Yes, are you watching me walk down? You like my boots for some reason. I don't know. And I gotta be careful not to drop my camera in the snow. Okay, let's kick the ball for Miggy in this deep snow. Yes. Watch out. Let's kick it. Oh, it didn't go far. Hold on. All right, I gotta get moving so they don't get cold. Are you guys having fun in the snow? You having fun? No, you're not going to bark at my shovel. No. Well, I've got a path from the back porch all the way around the fence and then all the way up here so far. So I'm going to try to make it to this corner around there, back to the porch. And my back is killing me. You think, living in Michigan all my life, I would have invested in a snowblower by now. Maybe that'll be next year's Christmas present. Okay guys, I'm worn out. That was a workout. But, did a path along the fence, and then I did one up the middle here. I don't know if you can see it. Up to the tree. Look we got a couple snow dogs. Got a couple, look at Miggy, or Magnum. Magnum, are you a white Schnauzer now? Huh? Okay guys, I think my husband's home. I think that's going to be it for today. Just wanted to show you all the snow we got. Yes. Yes. I think the boys are cold, so I'm going to let them in and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Well, I just got the boys' blankets in their crates, and Miggy loves it. Magnum loves it. And Max loves it. They're in there without even being told. They're like, these are nice. You gonna go check yours out? Yeah. Those are nice blankies, aren't they? Yes, they are. The only one that says I ain't going in my crate is Marley. He says, I don't think so. Yeah. You like your new blankie, Miggy? Do ya? I like it. Nice and cozy. Yes. Well, I think they're a hit, guys. Go get yourself one from PetSmart. Look at those eyebrows. Look at those eyebrows. Let's see. You like that blanket, Magnum? You like it? Good.